Hello, my dears. Good morning. Welcome back. So, today in this session, in this module, in this video, we are going to discuss an interesting story from your supplementary reader book. I have told you you have to do supplementary reader book also for in this exam. Okay. So, today I am going to start from your supplementary reader book, chapter number 1, The Lost Child. We will talk about the lost child. So we'll see in this lesson if we talk about the central idea. So there was a child. Okay, we have a major character. We have a central character, the boy, the child. Okay, so it was a time of spring. Okay, it was a time of spring festival. Okay, and all a child was going to the fair. Okay, with his parents. Okay, a child was accompanied with his parent for spring fair. Okay, they are going for fair. So when they start they are traveling from their house. Okay, uh, they were just they are going to fair. Okay, by walk. Okay, so on the way, in the way also, he was very excited to see the farms, the field, the butterflies, okay, the honeybees, the flowers, okay, the trees. So he was fascinated with everything, okay, because he was right now he was out of the house, okay, and along with his parents he was going to fair, spring festival. He was very happy, okay, because he wanted to see fair, he wanted to see everything in fair. So in the way, if we talk about, so when they were in the way, so on the way also they saw everything, okay, and the child was with his parents, okay. So when they reached the fair, the child was very fascinated to see everything in the fair, okay. He saw everything in very curiously, okay. He saw there the butterflies, okay, and he saw everything. He saw there, he saw in the fair the shop of toys, okay, and he saw there the roundabouts, many shops, okay, and he saw there different swings, okay. The snake charmer was playing, okay. The snake charmer was showing his, okay, performance. Then the roundabout was also uh, moving on, okay. The shops were crowded, okay, all the shops were crowded with people, okay. Thousand of people he saw in the fair, okay, and he was fascinated with everything, okay. All the things were attracting to him, okay, and he was very happy, okay. He was very happy, he wanted to enjoy everything, and he asked his father, okay, to buy something for him. He asked his father, he demanded his father for roundabout, okay. He demanded his father for sweets. He saw many shop of sweets, okay, in fair, okay. He saw swings, different swings in fair. So he demanded for everything. He asked to his parents for everything for him. He demanded for toys, he demanded for sweets, okay. He demanded to visit to see snake charmer show, okay. He demanded to buy toys, okay, from shops, okay. He demanded for seat, he demanded for roundabout, he demanded for swing. So he demanded for everything to his parents, okay. But his parents were not allowing, but his parents uh, not allowing to him, okay, to buy. Means his parents was not ready to buy, or ready to play, or ready to check or visit the things in the shop, okay. So his parents didn't just buy the things whatever he wants, okay, whatever he wanted. So then he was upset, but then he turned to very happy. Okay, he saw everything in the fair. Okay, he wanted to enjoy a lot in the fair. Okay, he was watching everywhere in the fair. Okay, and he wanted to enjoy on roundabout, on swing. He wanted to see snake charmer show. He wanted to buy sweets. He wanted to buy toys. Okay, so he saw everything, and everything was fascinating the boy, attracting the boy, okay, in the fair. So then what happened? So, and he was very curious to see everything. Okay, but his parents are not allowing him allowing allowing him to see or to visit or to check or to buy. Okay, they were not ready. Okay, so then once he asked to his father, okay, to join roundabout. Father, he asked to his father, okay, and he asked, father, I wanted to go on roundabout, please. Okay, can you arrange? So his father denied. So he was refused many times by his parents. Okay, he was refused, he was denied by his parents many times. Okay, so then when they were passing in a crowd, okay, so he was left behind. The boy was left behind from the parents. Okay, parents missed the boy, and he was left behind by parents. He was left behind from parents. Okay, so now he also doesn't know. Okay, as he was left behind from parents, but he was busy in seeing here and there. He was busy in seeing all the fascinating things in fair. So when suddenly, okay, meanwhile he came to know that meanwhile he saw everywhere his parents. Okay, where are the parents? So then he came to know that he was left behind from the parents. Then he was afraid. Okay, he was frightened because he was left behind the parents. He saw everywhere. Okay, he saw everywhere his parents. Okay, but he was left behind. So then he was very curious to see the parents, and he was alone in the fair, and he started crying. He started crying as he was afraid and frightened, and he saw everywhere. He checked his surroundings. He saw everywhere, but his parents, okay, were not there. And if we talk about the parents, so I think they carelessly they missed they missed their son. Okay, carelessly. Okay, so they carelessly missed their son. Okay, we can understand. And the child was crying for his parents. Okay, he was crying for his parents, and now the all the things which were fascinating to him before, okay, now he didn't want to see, didn't want to check anything in the fair. Okay, so there was a person, there was a kind-hearted man, there was a kind-hearted person joined the boy. So the kind-hearted person when saw the boy, okay, so he came to the boy. My friend, why you are crying? He asked the child, why you are crying? Then he come to know that. Then he came to know that the child is left behind from the parent. Okay, the child is left behind from the parent, that's why he's crying. Okay, so then he offer everything to the child, and the things which he wanted to enjoy or visit before, but now after missing from the parents, after left behind from the parents, he didn't want to see or didn't want to check the things offered by the kind-hearted person. So the kind-hearted person first just offered to him about sweets, but he denied and he refused. Then he offered about toys, but he denied, he refused, he rejected. Then he offered for visiting a roundabout, but he denied, he rejected. Then he offered to see snake charmer show, but the boy didn't want to see or check anything offered by the kind-hearted person. Okay, so now the boy was crying for his parents only. Okay, and he was left behind from his parents, and he was demanding to his parents for toys, sweets, roundabout, and the show. Okay, and different things he had demanded. But now when the kind-hearted person, when a person who was very helpful, when the person offered him the same thing, okay, when the person uh, is offered him the same thing which he had demanded to his parents, okay, but he refused, he rejected, he's going to refuse, he's going to reject because he was crying for his parents. And in this situation he need nothing. Okay, he needed nothing, he needed only his parents. Okay, he needed only his parents. He was crying for his parents. He was alone. Okay, and the man the helpful person was offering him everything which he had demanded to his parent, which he had demanded to his parents. But now he rejected, he denied, he don't want to see, he didn't want to see anything from fear. He didn't want to take anything from the fear, because now he was left behind from his parents. Okay. So the story shows, okay, the importance of love, affection towards the parents, okay, and how a child first carelessly, okay, how a child carelessly missed or left behind from a parent. Then when he left from the parent because he was fascinated by the things in fear. Okay. But then when he come to know that, when the boy come to know that he left behind from his parents, and the parents are the valuable thing for him, not the things you saw in fear. Okay. So now the boy come to know the value of parents in his life. Okay. And if we talk about the parents, so they carelessly miss their word. Okay. So it was the story The Lost Child. Okay, we'll see next concept in next video. And very soon I will send you study material. Okay. And you can complete from all in one. Okay. You can complete your supplementary reader book. Okay. The lesson which I am dealing with you. So you can complete question answer, NCERT question answer from your all in one supplementary reader section. Okay. Thank you.